Again, welcome to your course. Welcome to your student teaching experience. Let me talk just a little bit about some of the logistics of the course here along with the syllabus. You've got the syllabus there, so make sure you read through that. But again, it's general, but then as we know, it's also sort of a contract between the student and the school. So make sure you know the syllabus, make sure you know the requirements. But let me talk about those requirements just a little bit. You are to student teach for 60 days. You're to be in the field for 60 days. Now you're still going to log your hours over on Chalk and Wire. That'll be a weekly event. And when you look at this course laid out in 12 weeks, some of you, I realize, are in schools that are only on 4-day weeks. So use typical 5 days. So if you go to school 4 days this week, and then next week about the 5th or 6th day, Monday or Tuesday, then you fulfill that. So then do the stuff for week 1 at that point. So you are looking for 60 days. Now here's the beauty of this, is that you guys are the first ones to be generally in the same place for student teaching as you were for Education 3002. So you already know your assignment. And so now, here we are in December, you can go ahead when school starts, when the teachers come back on January 2nd or 3rd, whatever your assigned campus is, whenever they come back to school, you can go. You can be there and you can start logging your days even before we start school on January 14th here at Southeastern. And then for your methods courses, you're in those Monday, Thursday courses for the first 4 weeks. On Friday, if your school is having school, go. Be there, and that counts as a day for you there. So it's easier than it looks to get your 60 days because you can start early and you can be there early. So know that. We need the hours logged for our use, but you are looking for 60 days in the classroom on the campus. Now also, at the end of each week, and again week, every 5-day period, there are some questions on Chalk and Wire. They're reflective kind of questions for you to answer, for me to get some feedback, because I can't be everywhere at once. And so when I come to visit, I will have some of your answers to some of those, or if in answering those I detect a problem maybe developing, some kind of issue that I may need to come visit with the school about, then I can do that. So it's your way of weekly communicating with me how it's going, even though I'm not specifically there. So make sure you go into Chalk and Wire as much as you can weekly. I know it gets busy and you're doing lesson plans and you're doing these things that you will be doing on the job, but try to get in there. I've tried to keep these short, 1 or 2 questions each time, so just remember to go in and give me some feedback about how it's going. And then if something comes up, if I need to be there, absolutely email me, text me, call me, and I will get there as quickly as I can if there's some issue going on.